Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I just got a box of product from Creative Memories and I had this idea that I wanted to share with you just so you can get your brain wrapped around it and decide how you would like to do it and if you would like to participate with me. But I have a class that I teach every November. It's called the 30 Days of Gratitude class, and the class is free. And you can use products that you already have at home, or you can purchase a kit from me. I do have a limited supply of kits that I'm making up for this. But what we do is we prep 2 pages, and then every day for the month of November, you write something that you're grateful for. And it's always been fascinating to me that when you change your thoughts, you can change your emotions and your focus, and whatever you focus on expands. So it's been such a great class. I love doing it, and I have people that do it with me every year. But I decided I'm going to tweak it a little bit this year and try something new. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to switch to my other camera and show you here. Okay, this is what we've done in the past. We make a header that says 30 Days of Gratitude. We decorate it a little bit. We put rectangles here and alpha numbers and just kind of decorate it. Add a little bit of color. We add a few peekaboo pockets so that we can get all 30 days on the 2-page spread. And that's been really fun. And then the next year, this past year, we decided to make tags. And we did our header, and then we cut with the ruled paper here so we could write very easily. Use the alpha numbers again, but we did it on tags. And that was fun. It gave you just a little space to write something that you're thankful for. And when it's cute, it's really interesting. You want to write in it. Okay, so that makes it fun. This year, Creative Memories is offering this little kit to advisors. And I just got it out of my box and I thought, oh, I just want to show you. It's darling. It's a little 8x8 paper kit and has little borders that are already pre-done for you. And then you open it up and there is room on each of the pages. So there's so many ways you can use this. Look how cute these little sunflowers are. It's just very fall, right? And it already has this done. So I thought, okay, I want to show you. It comes with these 4 different layered stickers. They're already layered for you. And I thought, well, let's do something on the front with these. You know, put something here, and we can put 30 Days of Gratitude. And then you can open it up, and then you could either put rectangles of that ruled paper, or we could do tags, or whatever it is you want. But you could do several, 3 or 4 on each page, and that would take you through the month of November. I just think it's so super cute. It even comes with these tape chips right here that are adhesive for you to put things down with. So it comes in this little bag with the adhesive, with the 8x8 paper booklet, and then the stickers. And then I'm going to add a few things to the kit to kind of personalize it just for us. So I've shown this to a few friends locally and they really wanted to do it. And I wanted to include everyone. You can do this your way. So you could put this directly in your album when you're done. You can keep it separate. You could also just do the 2 pages like we've done in the past. So tell me what you think. Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, go to my YouTube channel and watch the 30 Days of Gratitude video. Just go to YouTube and then search for Make Sweet Memories with Jeanette. And I'll keep showing you how this is going to develop in September, but I just couldn't wait. I thought it was so darling. I love this little truck motif, and I know on August 26th, they have a new punch coming out that's a rustic truck. So that will fit perfectly with what we're doing here. So let me know if you would like to purchase a kit. I know it might make you think you're crazy to think about fall at the end of August, but it's coming, and you will feel more excited if you are really ready for it. So just kind of wrap your head around, what do you want to do? Do you want to do it in a booklet? Do you want to do the 2 pages in your album? Do you want to pass this around at Thanksgiving and have people sign in it? You can work on it with a grandchild or a child and teach them about being grateful. You can make this your own, whatever fits you. I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm doing this behind the scenes, and I'm super excited about it. And I just wanted you to get the idea going and just be thinking yourself, how do I want to approach this fall? If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hop over there and take a look at it. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for Make Sweet Memories. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with an update soon.